Avery's 9.5 months. It's the first time in her swing. Go, Elena, go. Woo! Yay! Elena's gonna push Avery. She likes it. Oh! Yeah! Whoopsie. Get the thing out of your mouth. Get this thing out of your mouth. What are you doing? Yay! You did a good job, Elena. Whoops! She came back and got you. Woo! You having fun, Avery? You having fun?
Oh.
She's having fun chewing her thing.
She wants to go in this.
She's gonna enjoy her swing. You go on your swing too. We'll get you together.
Okay. Push me super fast.
Stop chewing on this, Avery. Stop chewing on this. Okay, ready? Whee! And Elena.
Go super faster.
Okay. Super faster.
1, 2, 3.
There's my girl swinging. Woo! Yay! There's my girls. Oh, look, they're going together. Woohoo! She can't stop chewing. Avery. Nice. Say hi, Lay.
Hi, Mama.
I love you.
Love you.
Do I get a kiss? What are dogs doing? All right, say bye-bye. I love you.
Love you.